weather report, let's take a look at the weather all over the country. Let's first start with the weather conditions in North and Northwest India. Winds over Punjab, Haryana, North Rajasthan and West Uttar Pradesh and Delhi will blow from the east. A cyclonic circulation can be seen over central Pakistan and adjoining Punjab, which may bring some changes in the weather of North India. Maximum temperatures of North and Northwest India will rise marginally. Thunder development over Delhi and some parts of Haryana can be seen on the 5th. Chances of a dust storm are also possible. Now let's move on to East and Northeast India. Due to a feeble cyclonic circulation over Jharkhand, winds over Bihar, East UP and Jharkhand will blow from the east. Winds over Orissa and West Bengal will be moisture-laden southwesterlies. Marginal rise in the minimum temperatures can be seen over East UP, Jharkhand and Bihar. Day temperatures will fall but marginally. Rain is expected at one or two places over the northeastern states for at least 48 hours. South Bengal and West Bengal could also have some rain. Weather will be dry, hot and uncomfortable in entire East India. Now let's move on to Central India. Winds over Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha will be dry northwesterlies. Temperatures will be the hottest in this part of the country. Maximums of Vidarbha and Madhya Maharashtra will be above normal in the higher 40s, above 45 degrees. Weather will remain mainly dry and low-type conditions will prevail. Last but not least, South Peninsula. Winds over Karnataka and Kerala will blow from the west and turn to southwesterly and southerly land winds over Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Rain is possible at one or two places over Kerala, over interior Karnataka and interior Tamil Nadu. Isolated rain or thunderstorm is expected at north coastal Andhra Pradesh, mainly dry weather elsewhere. After the national weather, now let's move on to our favorite part, the weather in the major cities. Maximum of Delhi will be again 41 degrees and 24 degrees. Partly cloudy skies and thunderstorms are expected. Mumbai will be 34 degrees and 24 degrees. Kolkata will be 33 degrees and 26 degrees. Partly cloudy skies and rain is a possibility. Bangalore will be 35 degrees and 24 degrees. Rain is again possible. Hyderabad will be hot at 41 degrees and 28 degrees. Rain is a slight chance. Chennai will be 37 degrees and 29 degrees. That's it for today. For more news and weather all over the country and for interesting lifestyle articles, don't forget to visit our website www.skymetweather.com.